Good morning, students. Today we start the solve the problem on projection of straight line. This is the question here. We can read the question here. The distance between the end projectors of through the end points of the line AB is 40 mm. What is meant by end projector? That's the question arises here. The distance between the end projectors of the projectors through the end points of the line AB is 40 mm. What is end projector? End projector is a vertical line passing through the top view and front view of a point. For example, a vertical line passing through A dash is one end projector. Similarly, end projector passing through B and B dash is another end projector. So end projector is a vertical line passing through A dash and B dash. That's what we should have the knowledge. End projector is a vertical line passing through A dash and B comma B dash. Vertical line passing through A dash and B dash is called end projector. We should know this. Okay, with this knowledge, we'll start the question now. Go to line command. Select the type of the line, 0.13 thickness. Type of the line is continuous line. Draw one horizontal line, any length. Name it. This is X. This is Y. VP HP. First quadrant. So VP is above the XY line. HP is below the XY line. Then go to line command. Read here. The end A is 20 mm above HP. 20 mm above HP, it appears on VP. So type 20 mm is the length of the line. Enter. Angle is 90 degree. Enter. Come out. Then below the XY line, that is HP. The front of VP. Front of VP is 15 mm. 15 mm. Enter. And angle is minus 90. Enter. Okay. Then show the dimension of this using the smart dimension command. This is a smart dimension command. Select it. And then click on this line. It will show the dimension of that line. Then name this point. On HP, we see the top view. Top view is indicated by the alphabet. On VP, we see the front view, and front view is indicated by the alphabet with a dash. Next, what is the data other given? The end B is 45 mm in front of VP. 45 mm in front of VP means it appears on HP. When you project it, it appears on the opposite plane of VP. That is, it appears on HP. So from any distance from here, draw a line. Length is distance is 45 mm. Angle is minus 90 degree below the XY line. So this line is called our locus of B. This line is called locus of B. Show the distance between this line and this line is 45 mm. And what is this line? Locus of the end A is 20 mm. The end B is 45 mm in front of VP. So this is locus of B. Type here locus of B. Okay, locus of B. And what is then the data given is line appears 50 mm long in the front view. Appears means apparent length. Apparent length is given 50 mm long in the front view. Front view means it appears on the vertical plane that is above the XY line. So draw a line. Let me take the type of the line as a continuous, and thickness is 1 mm because it should be very dark. Is a front view. The line appears as a 50 mm long in the front view. Front view is should be very dark. So I took a 1 mm thickness. From here, 50 mm in the front view. In the front view, that will come to that later. Before that, we'll go with this. Distance between the end projectors through the end points of the line AB is 40 mm. So we will draw that end projector first. This is one end projector. This vertical line is one end projector passing through A and A dash. Another end projector is a vertical line passing through B and B dash, and that is at a distance of 40 mm from the A dash vertical projector. So write 40 mm line. This is the end projector. What is this distance? 40 mm given the data. So what is this? This is the end projector. So this is end projector at a distance of 40 mm. Now we'll go to this line appears 50 mm long in the front view. So go to arc by center point. This command from A dash draw an arc of radius 50 mm. Type radius as 50 mm. It asks for the angle here. So angle, you don't enter any angle, just sweep manually like this. Then trim off this extra line. Then the arc cuts the end projector. At this point, draw the locus line. Draw the locus line. This point is called B dash, front view. Front view is B dash, apparent line. And this line is called locus of B dash. Now go to line command. Take a dark line, 1 mm thickness. Connect A dash to B dash. So this is the dark line. So type of the line should be continuous. Change it to continuous here. Done. Then what else given? The line appears 50 mm long in the front view. Complete the projection and find the length of the. Okay. See, look here. This is the end projector. This is the end projector. Let us extend this end projector up to the locus line. How to extend? Go to this trim command. Click on the triangle adjacent to that. You get a extend to next command. Select that. Move on this line. End projector line. See how it extends. It extends. Then go to line command. Take 1 mm thickness. Continuous line. Join a line from A to this end projector where it cuts the locus. Join that. And this point will be B, top view. Because on the end projector, we get the top view or the front view, and below on HP, we get the top view. Okay, let us go to smart dimension. Show this length. This is 50 given. This is not given. We found out just now. Oh, so that both are coming out 50. Both are coming out 50. Then okay, let us find out the angle inclination here to here, here to here. Then go to angle between this command, select it, measure the angle between this line and this line, this line and this line. Okay, let me change it to 1. It's very big. Let me change it to 1. 37 degree. Similarly, find the angle between this line and this line with the command angle between command. Select it and click on this line. Sorry. Select the angle between command. Click on this line and click on the other line. It will show both are 37 degree. Now we have to find out the true length. How to find out the true length? This is the apparent length. AB is the apparent length. That is top view. A dash B dash is also apparent length. That is front view. Now with this, we have to find out the true length. Okay. So how to find out the true length? So when the apparent length is given, to find out the true length, you have to adopt one technique. The technique is called, let me type, when technique adopted. What is the technique adopted? Technique used is when apparent length is given, adopt rotate and project technique. Okay, how to adapt it we'll see now. Technique used is when the apparent length is given, adapt, rotate and project technique. So these are both are apparent length. So let us go to arc by center point. Select the type of the line continuous, thickness of the line 0.13. Start from A dash. The A dash is the center of the arc. Then from B dash, draw another arc up to here. Then extend this line up to there. Go to leader line. Show the direction of the arc. It moves from top to bottom. Then again, rotation is over. Now projection. From this point, project it down to the locus line. Then trim up the extra this line. Let us call this point. This is B dash. Let us call this as B2 dash. Some arbitrary point, and this is called as B1. B1. Okay. So let us join A B1 by line of medium darkness, that is 0.5 mm thickness. A to B dash B1, join it. This is the true length. What is the true length? Measure it by smart dimension command. It is shown here 58.31. Similarly, you have to adopt the same technique, rotate and project from the top view. So go to arc by center point, keep A at the center, B at the radius, rotate it, then again extend it, it just there, then remove the extra arc, rotate and project. Then what we have to extend, this is rotated and you have to extend like this vertically. For that, what we'll do, go to extend to next command, extend this line. See, I am extending this line, what projection. Then go to line command, take a medium dark 0.5 mm. From here to here, you join it and measure the length of this. It should be same 58.31 and angle passing through the A and B, and find the true length of the line and inclination of the line. So go to angle between command. We want to measure the angle between this line and this line. This is called theta, and angle between this and this is called phi. Both are 31 degree. So this is the end of the problem.